Quick video of this GT 500 Shelby. This car is a one owner, locally owned, convertible GT 500 barn find. This vehicle was legitimately in a barn. Driven home the weekend it was purchased and parked. 490 miles. Car is completely stock. We even left the original inspection sticker. It's black, so you'll see some reflections from this building, of course, but if anything, it could use a nice sponge pad wax job. No imperfections that I've picked up on at all, but again, lots of shadows in this building, but it did have a good coating of dust. Factory original tires that are actually not dry rotted. This car wasn't bought and driven and done burnouts and all the stuff that a lot of them have. We did have it inspected so that it would have a current Virginia safety inspection, and we did change the oil. We did put a new battery in it. That's the only items that have been done. But this is a real deal, real barn find, real original GT 500 with, it may have tripped 500 miles because we did drive it and put gas in it and a few other things, but that is one nice car. And just to tease people, this car is sold, but this was one of his others. This man is still alive. He was a good friend of my father's that had these cars, and he drove them home. This car had 428 miles, driven home in 08. Pulled out and driven one time for an inspection after that, and there's that inspection still on it. But this is an 08 King of the Road. Same deal, completely original. We put a battery and changed the oil, but two cool cars. So not to tease a little more, but there's one more that was his. 1984 GT 350 with 460 miles. This one was in a building, then pushed out to a lean-to, still covered, but you can see the dust. We didn't touch this car. This car sold as soon as it posted. Non-running, but not locked up. 4-cylinder turbo GT 350 car. All these cars are on the original title. This car was still on the original inspection and still had the original temporary tags on it. One incredible find. Original tires, original everything. So, pretty cool collection. Definitely a Mustang freak. There is one more in red. He did drive that car. It has 4,000 miles, but check this Shelby out and check the red one out also. They will both be on the website, davis4x4.com. Any of our other cars, trucks, anything else we can help you with, feel free to watch our YouTube channel, watch our videos, but the main place to stay tuned is davis4x4.com.